I said, people, I'm ready early, you know, real early. Like, as I say, I sleep only like 40 odd minutes very early. And then guess what? First, if you come for me, end up get the car and forget late. That's why it's good if you have your own car. I'm not talk about it. Every day I talk about it, I must own my own car. So we lock up your house now because the person circle and drop back here, so you see me. She spent, well, you never take long this morning, but you spend 90% of your time fixing up your makeup. Can you imagine? 15 minutes of your life you will never get back. Ready still. Hey people, so we finally reached town, yo. Pick up the driver. You can imagine, I feel like I will first wake up out of everybody. Yo, but that's how life goes still. You have to expect the unexpected. We're there still. I gotta link up. People, look like we reached Blue Cafe. This is one of the longest drives I've ever had. Trust me, like, yo, this whole ride was like. Feel burn up. He's not coming? He's not coming? My apologies for being so late.
We said the last.
Yeah, we did last, bro.
How did you know?
How?
I know, the GPS. GPS at first.
It was supposed to be like.
She never tried nothing.
I eat it up.
Yeah, at last.
TV entertainment in cheap.
Who should I deal? Yeah, I know.
I know.
Of course, mutual feeling.
I know this one.
Of course, more meat too.
Mother's Day,
But we have no space for it.
but no, so they say you're going
Upstairs parking some cars or something like that.
Yeah, people, so we meet up with Ivy them, Akim them, Judah them. Can't remember everybody's name, but right now we are head up to the mountains, you see me? But I had to make a stop, yo. This look excellent. I like it. Nice. Hey, make somebody take your photo now, man. You see me a flat. Nice. Yo, the view is like excellent, yo. Them gone up further in front of it, but the breeze up here so nice, yo. As much as me's a sicky fella, I like this breeze, yeah. Nice. Yeah. So guys, welcome to Halliwell, yo. Up here so nice, the view is so superb. Yeah. Everybody get them shots, trust me. it up. Nice one. Whenever you're coming to the Blue Mountains, you're gonna pay $100 per person. So even though my friends them not come in, well, not stay, because we tickets there.
We made the beginning of the trail.
We made it!
This trail alone is stand like on a back turn. Okay, go on, do it again. Back turn. Oh wow.
Wow, look at all of. Okay, I'll just be here.
Yeah, man, just follow through, man.
Yeah. Something beautiful.
Everybody.
Jamaican.
Social media.
Yeah.
Hey, Mika.
I love photos, but I will never ever take it up full time.
I don't know boat still.
Photo too boring. You know, right now people pay people to make photo move.
Yeah, bro. I'm just giving you guys exclusive footage. You guys gonna see everything.
But I can't go that way. That's why I'm trying to wait, dog. I honestly don't know which part them go.
Huh? We're stepping. Yeah, come on front. Come in front. Yes, or whatever. Come.
Yo, you have a little loose donkey, so be careful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Monkey?
Donkey.
Yeah.
Why in front?
Donkey. Or monkey.
You know what kind of animal is a baboon or monkey? in the dairy over there.
Mm.
I'm coming up here in a tight jeans.
Ah.
Toms and everything is the worst thing ever.
Me's a man.
Feel it now, dog. Feel the pressure on your chest, but no, man. Tell you.
Can't feel the burn.
I know, so I know the hiking. It's because of the atmosphere.
Atmosphere is cool.
Yeah.
And the cold, I gonna make you wheeze.
Yeah, exactly. Here's what I was talking about. I don't even think he'd even know about up here, so.
You need it, friend.
Can come here, sir. Have some mice before campfire.
There's a cabin, people. Can't have a campfire right here. You want a cinematic?
Hey, I'm gonna use it, alright?
Yeah, use it.
See, somebody don't listen to them things and
Okay, just look.
Looks nice.
look here, how fine, you know!
Waterfall around there.
Me I take a plane, me I found.
See? Waterfall trail.
Sometimes stamp it. Well, people, this is my first ever hike. When me carry on to go country with me, that's not a hike compared to all of this. Feels good for this so high up on the mountain. Up here getting cold right now. Luckily me have on a long sleeve. Kush up there. Kush up there enjoying himself. He be them gone left way somewhere. Just look at that, people. Yeah.
You know what? Let me go help you guys.
No, not like that.
So, remember there, so I'm going to waterfall there. The way we take, the follow me. But, because whenever I took away there, I thought that was a different waterfall. So, we go to that height there. When we didn't do it, our car is just right there.
Wow. But we said this.
Yeah?
We said this. Because the man did tell us, say, yo, right beside the parking lot.
Yeah, but it's true, whenever I take away there, we think there's a different waterfall, you see me?
Oh.
I think you have two, right? That's what you said.
Yeah, just.
One is a waterfall and one is a stream.
So, my dad, come out, what we do? This is another one, dog. Put you on the side, you say,
And they really couldn't hear it for you, you know?
Yeah, man, I tell you.
Bro, they really couldn't hear it for you.
One of the here, we.
They were at one point.
We could have hear it and then we lose. Like the signal drop.
like signal drop, yeah.
At one point, waterfall, we hear the water back, so.
Yeah.
We walk here when we say, no, we're not going to do it.
Yeah, that's good.
Over there, I say, yeah, man, with the close, man, I don't think I hear no bumbo class.
Yeah, that's all I have. Bye, sir. Bye.
All we know is like for the picture of the cabinet because there's a inside there.
So right now, vlog world, we are moving things them into which part we got camp for the night because we are stay over. So let's go and get busy. The place fog up right now, yo. The mist is so much. Make you feel like rain off far, but nah. Stick around though. So this is what we actually gonna spend the night in, people. It's not big, but it will do the job. Be a little body people there. Except Akeem. I'm a dude, man. I have to check out him. We'll hold.
This is supposed to be an experience, isn't it?
But we're in 2018. So if I can use something to help me.
The fire on its way now. Look where it never did go up because the hood them wet, you see me, but
Hood them wet.
yeah, things are going right now. People, I hope you're enjoying that view. We're on the top of the mountains. I like it. I like it, trust me. Nature at its finest, yo. You don't know. Find it? Find it? Don't know, Father, you be running fire. I pilot the whole thing. You know? Yeah, well,
Got in the cup right now. What's in my cup?
Stays in my cup.
In my cup, stays in my cup.
My drink
is in my cup.
Hey! Akeem Bex with what's in his cup.
Inside partner, done.
I wish it was colder. Last time we come pretty colder.
You wish it was what? As slim as me now wish for no way cold. But yeah, it's giant enough, bro.
Kinda gummy one.
Inside.
Yeah. Hey babe.
As long as you want something more.
Yeah.
So that people, take some.
Fucking nice.
What's this?
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Is it out by where? Clarendon?
Yeah, wait, more.
Manchester. Upper, my name is the hill there, Melrose Hill.
Top Clarendon. Top Chilani and place.
Yes. Sorry. Yeah, you're right. You're absolutely right.
Yeah, top Chilani.
You ready for turn it?
How much for the chicken there?
5 days.
They ask them how much time left for the
I'm 5 days down to
5
the general.
Did you like put something there, Steven? Did you like butter it first?
What?
Butter it first?
The chicken?
Yeah.
No.
Or butter the thing so that it doesn't stick.
The saltfish?
Just butter the stuff
Oh,
so the food don't stick. The saltfish is dripping.
Nice. True.
That's that one.
Yeah, the water.
Oh, the moisture.
But nah, use yo.
Alright, Josh,
Yeah, man, I'm gonna take meds.
Take up one now, take up. Down now.
Yo, is that a piece of bread there?
Roast chicken, yam, sweet potato.
It gets already, Akeem.
Well, people, today I eat some roast chicken, and roast yam. It's lit, trust me. So we fire there. The chef there, Akeem there. Team there, everybody there. Everything lit right now. Isn't it? Vlog can't stop until the party done, you know. Well, until the fun done, so stick around. Yo, I just wanna say, big up Steve. That's Ibby. This dude is so, look at people. This dude is so creative, bro. Like, I wish I had something to give. Like, take a piece of my sweet potato, bro. Like, I don't know what else to give, bro. Like, yo, like honestly, bro. Who thinks about that? Who thinks about this, bro? Like, what? People, we have lights up here, people. My friend chicken's fucking genius, nigga. Well, vlogger, a bedtime. But not lie, me no bed up, it's too cold. Yeah, I'm a bed still. Right now my socks cheesy.
Because they're cold.
Because, you know, Angel, bed still, but I can't manage it. So right now, I don't know.
Where's she there?
Where's she? I
But
feel like
cold in a
you know, I feel like a bedtime this me right now, isn't me? So I'm going to stay tuned. Or if not,
good night from Ia and Rita.
Or if not, good night from we. Stay tuned for your next vlog.
Send me your location, let's focus on communication.